The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide you're not going to stay where you are. Hi, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection, and if you're considering change in 2021 and a new home is part of that plan, then perhaps you should take a close look at 6 Rugosa Way in Brunswick. Built in 2019, just 14 months young, this custom home combines thoughtful design, comfortable living space, and an emphasis on efficiency, perfectly suited for low-maintenance living. The first thing you notice when you enter is the abundance of natural light from the south and west. There is an immediate sense of scale with a vaulted ceiling and a welcoming gas fireplace. Adjacent to the living and dining area is a kitchen featuring a large central island that can be used to prepare an extravagant dinner or entertaining family and friends. You will also find radiant heating throughout, which is a personal favorite of mine. The back deck overlooks an inviting tree-lined yard with numerous wild blueberries, and who doesn't love a blueberry pie? There is plenty of space for outdoor activity. Along the hallway, you'll find 2 bedrooms that share a well-appointed central bath and a master complete with a large walk-in closet and its own ensuite. Additionally, there is plenty of storage in the oversized garage. The home also has been updated with several desirable features, including designer window treatments, a high-efficiency washer and dryer, a whole house air exchange, an automatic residential generator, river rock landscaping, and 2 Mitsubishi heat pump units. Meadow Rose Farms is a beautifully developed in-town community that features only 13 lots and abuts 33 acres of conservation land that is perfect for residents to enjoy quiet walks and moments of solitude while yet only minutes from the bustling downtown. To learn more, visit our website, mainehomeconnection.com, or call or text me to set up a private showing. Until next time, I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I encourage you to imagine more.